Nabulantang ang lahat sa isyu na hiwalay na ang Katniel, hindi mapigilan ng fans ng Katniel na magtanong kay Catherine Bernardo tungkol sa isyu. Ito ang sagot ni Catherine Bernardo.
Okay, what can you say to those people making issues that you and DJ had already broken up? Was this the reason you've been hiding your relationship before? Because of the issuers? Wait, sagutin ko to kasi ang dami talaga nagtatweet. Saan ba galing yung news na yun? Hindi talaga. Sobrang saya kami ni DJ ngayon. And... Hindi porket hindi kami nagpo-post na magkasama kami, hindi ibig sabihin hindi kami okay. Kasi siguro, parang privacy na lang namin yun, yung iba, syempre. And then, wala kaming problema, super okay kami. Ewan ko kung saan nanggaling yun. So, just to be clear, we're okay, nothing to worry about. At wala talaga to, I swear to God.